Good morning. I am K. Venkatesh, BTech ADS second year. The topic is queue data structure. Queue data structure is a fundamental concept in computer science used for storing and managing data in a specific order. It follows the principle of first in, first out, where the first element added to the queue is the first one to be removed. Uh, this is the concept of first in, first out element, uh, where the first element added to the queue is the first one to be removed. Queues are commonly used in various algorithms and applications for their simplicity and efficiency in managing data flow. The element to be first to be added, that element should be first to be removed. uh, Next, basics operation in queue. Some of the basic operation for queue in data structures are enqueue, dequeue, peak or front, rear, is full, is empty, size. First of all, enqueue, insertion of elements to be queue. Dequeue, removal of elements from the queue. Enqueue means inserting the elements to the queue. DQ means removal of elements from the queue. Peak or front acquires the data element available at the front node or of the queue without deleting it. Rear means this operation returns the element at the rear and end without removing it. Is full validates if the queue is full. Is empty checks if the queue is empty. Size, this operation returns the size of the queue. For example, the total number of elements it contains. This is means queue. Next, operation 1, enqueue. Enqueue, insert an element at the end of the queue, at the rear end. The following step should be taken to enqueue: insert data into a queue, check if the queue is full. If the queue is full, return overflow error and exit. If the queue is not full, increment the rear pointer to point to the next empty space. Add the data element to the queue location where the rear is pointing. Return success. Next, types of queue. There are 5 different types of queue that are used in different scenarios. They are input restricted queue. This is a simple queue. Output restricted queue. This is also simple queue. Next, circular queue, double-ended queue, priority queue, ascending priority queue, descending priority queue.